Upgrading your home's windows is one of the smartest investments you can make, especially if you live in Loves Park, Illinois, where the weather can range from freezing winters to humid summers. If your current windows are drafty, outdated, or difficult to operate, it may be time to consider a change. Energy-efficient windows are not just a luxury. They're a practical solution that can enhance your comfort, reduce utility bills, and even increase your property value. Here's a closer look at the key benefits of installing energy-efficient windows in your Loves Park home. Lower energy bills year-round. Loves Park experiences cold winters and warm, muggy summers, meaning your HVAC system works hard all year. Traditional windows can allow warm air to escape during winter and let in unwanted heat during summer, making your system less efficient and driving up energy costs. Energy-efficient windows, especially those with double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and argon gas fills, help regulate indoor temperatures. They reduce the amount of heat transferred through the glass, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Over time, this can translate into significant savings on your utility bills. Enhanced home comfort. Drafts, hot spots near windows, and temperature fluctuations are common in older homes with single-pane or poorly sealed windows. Energy-efficient windows are designed to create a better seal against the elements, helping maintain a consistent, comfortable indoor environment. In a place like Loves Park, where seasonal shifts can be extreme, this added comfort can make a noticeable difference. Whether you're relaxing in your living room in January or preparing dinner on a sweltering July evening, you'll appreciate the improved insulation and comfort these windows provide. Reduced noise pollution. Loves Park may be quieter than nearby Rockford, but road traffic, construction, or even neighborhood activity can still bring unwanted noise into your home. Energy-efficient windows offer more than just thermal benefits, they also help reduce outside noise. Thanks to their multiple panes and insulating layers, these windows act as a barrier to sound, creating a more peaceful indoor space. This can be especially beneficial if you live near busy streets or commercial areas. Increased home value and curb appeal. If you're planning to sell your home in the future, or simply want to increase its value, energy-efficient windows are a great upgrade. Homebuyers today are more energy conscious than ever, and new windows are often seen as a major selling point. Not only do they improve the home's energy performance, but they also refresh its appearance. With a variety of frame materials, styles, and colors available, energy-efficient windows can enhance both the interior and exterior aesthetic of your property. UV protection for furniture and flooring. Energy-efficient windows often include low-E, low emissivity coatings, which help block harmful ultraviolet, UV, rays. These invisible rays can fade your furniture, flooring, curtains, and artwork over time. By installing windows with UV protection, you're helping preserve your interior finishes and extend the life of your home decor. This added protection can be particularly important in rooms with large windows or a lot of natural light. Environmental impact. By reducing your home's energy use, energy-efficient windows also help lower your carbon footprint. They're an environmentally responsible choice for homeowners who want to reduce their impact on the planet without sacrificing comfort or style. In a community like Loves Park, where sustainability is becoming a growing priority, this kind of upgrade is a step in the right direction for both your home and the environment. Final thoughts. Replacing your old windows with energy-efficient options is one of the most impactful home improvements you can make in Loves Park. From lower energy bills and improved comfort to enhanced home value and noise reduction, the benefits are clear. If you're ready to upgrade, consult a local window specialist who understands the specific climate needs of Loves Park and can guide you to the best options for your home and budget. It's an investment you'll enjoy every day, and one that pays off for years to come.